Hello, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change background color on Instagram story. Keep watching this video to not miss any part. Before moving on, if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new upload. Now let's get started. Open up the Instagram app and make sure you have logged in to your account. Now, in order to change background color of your story, create a story. Now to create a story, head over to the create section. And now in here you can take a pic or video, or simply you can upload from your gallery. Choose a pic that you want to post as a story. Now adjust the pic. Now here you can see default background. Now if you want to choose solid color for your background, then tap on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. Now again tap on the draw option. Now choose the color that you want to use. Now after choosing the color, press on the screen for 1 to 2 seconds, and here you can see your background color has been changed. After that, press on tick button on the top right corner. Now here you can see my pic has been disappeared. Now if you want to upload a pic from gallery, then tap on sticker icon and scroll a bit and tap on this. And after that, here you can change the shape of your pic by tapping on it. That's how you can change background color of Instagram story. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back soon with similar videos. Thank you for watching.